We continue into the body, and so when we enter the body, we have meridian, points, organs. We'll now take a look at what's inside the point. When you click on the point, the display changes, and instead of showing the entire meridian, it will show you the details of the points on each meridian. So there you have it, an evaluation made on each point. You can click on each point to get information about it. You can also select them here and see, for example, in this meridian at the moment, what the state of each point is. And in for example, if you change meridian, you'll be able to see again here where the different points are. It also shows you on the map where they are each time, so that's interesting. You can also navigate through the meridians by clicking on the meridian title in the selector. Here again, you can see the evolution of each session. So this can give you information, especially if you know some particular points you'd like to follow, so you can see how they evolve over time. And you'll see that when you click on a meridian, you get different information than when we were in the meridian tab earlier. Here you have the 8 main points, i.e. the ambassador point, dispersion, gushing, river, all of which is interesting information from a TCM point of view. You also have information about the meridian, i.e. how this meridian is supplied and to whom it sends information. If you want to see where the points are, you can click on them here, which will show you directly where they are on the map. Once again, you have energy, entropy, and coherence in the left-hand menu. And when you click on energy, you'll see that you're no longer in the individual menu of intestine, small intestine, mech, CT, etc. You're now in energy. You'll see the points, the most energetic and least energetic recipes. So we're no longer in a logic of individual points. When we enter energy, entropy, and coherence, we're in a logic of TCM recipes. HCM recipe is when 2, 3, or 4 points are used to correct a symptom. And that's all the knowledge of traditional Chinese medicine, which has been developing this knowledge for thousands of years. What we did in the application was to apply the logic in reverse, i.e. we said that if these points resonated together and were too weak or too strong, for example, so here the most energetic or the least energetic, or were too agitated or too static, this could indicate to us that this coherent system, which is normally used to, for example, treat gastric reflux or pyrosis or things like that, could be of interest since the C3 points. Okay, so it's quite possible that for this person, this recipe is necessary. So this may give you more ideas for a diagnosis. I'd advise you to have a look at the various recipes on display. If you ever want to apply them in acupuncture, you know where they are. But if not, they could be applied in frequencies later on, when we get to the balancing part, since on each of the recipes we'll have frequencies corresponding to the points that can be applied sonically or electrically to the person. Coherent systems are those that resonate entirely together, so regardless of whether they're more or less in sync, they're entirely synchronized. So once again, if you have a system that is fully synchronized, chances are that what traditional Chinese medicine heals on that system is relevant to the person you're looking at.